The rule of 72 is a straightforward method for determining how long it would take to double an investment at a specific rate of return, as well as calculating the expected rate of return. To calculate the expected rate of return, simply divide 72 by the number of years it would take to double the investment. The result does not need to be a whole number, as it assumes a fixed compound interest rate for the given period. Conversely, to find out how long it would take for an investment to double, divide 72 by the expected rate of return. The result can be a fraction or decimal, representing a portion of a year. Using the rule of 72 is quite simple. Dividing 72 by the rate of return yields the number of years it would take to double the investment. For example, an investment with an 8% annual return would take approximately 9 years to double, with the 8% being used as 8, not 0.08, in the calculation. This rule provides a quick and accurate way to estimate investment growth and expected returns.